Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the document layout and the exact table width so cells won't overflow. Next, insert the table using Insert Table or draw it. Pick the rows and columns you need now. Once placed, set initial column widths and apply Auto Fit if content varies. Make sure to lock a fixed column width only when layout must not shift. This gets you immediately into editing instead of fiddling with settings later. Now structure content. Merge or split cells to create header areas and group related data. Use a header row that repeats across pages for readability. Once structured, apply paragraph styles to cells, set cell shading and border presets to establish visual hierarchy. Then open table properties to control alignment, text direction, and cell margins. This prevents text clipping. Once done, make sure row heights and finish by refining spacing. Set exact column widths, lock row heights if precise layout is required, and apply final paragraph spacing. If you must reuse content, convert table to text or copy with paste options to preserve or match destination formatting. If things go wrong, first inspect hidden cell margins, merged cells, and font scaling. They are often the culprit. As a quick fix, select the table and choose Auto Fit to Contents, then reapply fixed widths where necessary to restore intended layout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.